Ready to trade Bybit directly from Tradingview and automate your strategies like a pro? First, head over to Bybit and log into your account, then click on the profile icon in the top right corner. This will open up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click API. On the API page, you will see an option to create a new API key. Click on the Create New Key button. Make sure you select Connect to Third-Party Applications, and then choose Tradingview. Next, give your API key a descriptive name, something that will help you remember what it's for. Crucially, select Read and Write permissions to allow Tradingview to execute trades on your behalf for enhanced security. Restrict IP access. You can add Tradingview's IP addresses, which you can find in Tradingview's documentation. Once you've configured everything, click Submit. You will be prompted to enter your 2FA verification. Copy both the API key and the secret key. Keep them safe and never share them. You will need them for the next step. Now, jump over to Tradingview. At the bottom of your chart, find and click on the trading panel. Scroll down until you see Bybit. Click Connect. A window will pop up asking for your API key and secret key. Paste the API key and secret key you copied from Bybit into the respective fields. Click Connect again. If everything is correct, you'll see your Bybit account balance displayed in the trading panel, and that's it. You are now ready to trade Bybit directly from Tradingview.